It's still hot. Hi guys, what is up? So today we're going to be cleaning my room because it's really messy. Since I'm constantly just like choosing outfits to shoot, going out to shoot, editing, blah blah blah, I usually don't have time to spend to like actually fully clean my room, and maybe I'm just really messy. Like I don't really know what the situation is, but my room always ends up looking like total chaos. So I thought it'd be really fun for us to clean it together. And yeah, so you walk in and you have like my garment rack, blah blah blah, looks really nice. And then you look down on the floor and there's like a million bags from like new purchases or like props that I need for like photo shoots. And then you keep walking and then there's more shoes and more clothes. And then behind my door, which doesn't close, is like a pile of hats, a bunch of pillows that goes like on my bed, more clothes on top of the ottoman, more shoes and clothes. And oh, I actually just got this bag yesterday at Salvation Army, and like how cute is this? It was only $3.99. I'm actually obsessed. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with right now. It doesn't look like too awful, but if you actually look inside the drawers, it's like all so stuffed, and that's why I haven't been able to put away anything, because that's just like there's no room in any drawers. So yeah. So anyway, let's get started. But first, like coffee, because okay, but what do I do at night to cause this on this side and this on the other side? Looking better already. So I'm gonna tackle this stuff, which this goes in here. These candies could stay there because I have nowhere else to put them. And then these glasses can go in their home. I just got these glasses a couple days ago, and I think they look like TVs on my face, and I think they're so fab. Like, let me know what you guys think. Okay, where in the world am I gonna fit this? I'm just gonna put them here for now. So usually the next thing that I do is I just literally like go around and try and find like clothes that might be like scattered over my room, and I just pile them up on my bed in different categories, and then I put them away like within their categories, because I find if I just go around picking things up and putting them away, it takes way longer. Now I have to clean up all of these hats that have to go inside here, and I have all of these bags like right on top of it, so that's probably why I like very rarely put them away, because I hate taking all these bags out to like put them back in. It's like so annoying. So much progress. I'm taking a little chocolate break. This is the Lindt milk like bar. It's pretty much like the truffle, like the little circle truffles, but like in a bar. Okay, back to work. So I moved all the purchases to, like all the shopping bags to like one side of the room, so I'll deal with that in a second. For now, I am just going to put away all the shoes that are kind of all over the place. Fitting like shorter shoes a lot harder, because I have like the top two shelves for my like high heels up there, and this is pretty much the only space that I have for like shorter heeled or flats. So I don't really have that much space, especially because I tend to like throw in some random heels in here as well. So we'll see like what I can fit. That like doesn't even fit there. Like, okay, maybe I'll put these heels like up here maybe. This there. Oh no, this has to go here though. I feel like something that everybody needs is a box of buttons. I literally have this little storage box that contains like all the buttons of like literally everything I've ever bought. And if I ever need it, I just like start looking through the pile. I feel like I desperately need to actually go through all of my pant drawers because as you can see, I can barely open it. I typically put away all of my fall winter pants. I didn't do that this year just because I got rid of so many pants that like I didn't feel like I needed to. But now I feel like I need to just get rid of pants in general. I don't wear as many pants as like a lot of people do, so I feel like I should just get rid of some. This I probably will not wear. This can go away. Bye! Okay, this is gonna be, this I do wear. This I wear. This is new and I do wear this. These two are like super fun and comfy. They're like a cottony, like a soft cotton material, and they're like long and like wide angle, and these are like super fun. I've had this pair of jeans since like high school. Like it's like lower rise and like who needs that? These are new, haven't used these yet. These are new, have not worn them yet. These are like really fun white pair of pants and they have like a little fraying at the bottom. I might cut off the fraying, I don't know, like we'll see. These I'm gonna keep. These I like absolutely love. Like how amazing are these pants? Okay, so I put on a random white top so I can show you guys. These ones are the white ones with the little frayed edge on them. I don't know if they're like that flattering on my body shape. I did just buy another pair of white jeans, so I'm gonna try those ones on and you guys can tell me which ones you like better. Okay, then there's these ones which are a little bit baggier and they are like 10 times more comfy. But I also don't know if these ones are even flattering. Like now that I'm looking at them on camera, it's like, so these even look cute. These ones are way more flattering, but I just realized that after washing them, the zipper has like slightly shifted to the side, so it's not centered anymore. Should I keep or donate these? Thoughts? Okay, last pair. I do have another pair in the mail coming, but they are like a looser fit, so they don't like, they're not tight on the legs here, which I think would be a little bit more flattering for me. What do you guys think? Okay, to tackle this massive pile, this is mostly things that I've like bought this month or props, camera gear, more props, stuff for a gift. So I like to just kind of sit down and inventory pretty much everything that I've bought so that I can mention it in my upcoming haul. So I'll like sit down and write it all out on my phone, and then once it's written out, I put it away. Okay, let's do this. Where's my phone? All of the props in here so they're not like in the way. Guys, I finally found the shoes. You guys remember I did a whole video that I was looking for shoes like this? Finally found some. I'm so happy. The sun is like slowly starting to set, so hopefully the lighting's like okay. So this is what it looks like now. I can walk. Got my shoes here. I still have this bag that's like filled with all the props and stuff. I don't really know what to do with that yet because I haven't shot them yet, so they're just gonna sit there. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending the time with me to clean my room. I can actually walk and dance in this room now because I literally could not move in this room. Everything now has its place, which is really, really nice. I did want to do a whole video on how I organize the accessories and like the drawers and stuff, but I couldn't fit it all into one video like this video just because it would be like super, super long. So if you guys want me to do a separate video on that, let me know in the comments below, as well as the subscribe button is just right underneath that video, so don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, it is so hot in this room. I'm actually dying. Help. SOS.